Let's go to DSLR technology. So today we also have some quite bit of interesting information. Till now we have an EOS lineup from the low end EOS 1000D to EOS 1DS Mark III as a full line of professional cameras. Majority of the cameras are offering EOS movie functionality. Today, actually, we are replacing two models from this lineup of successors of the models are coming in. So 550 as a camera model will still continue, but it will receive two new brothers. One smaller brother and one bigger brother. So we are really happy to show you, to introduce you the new camera, which is basically 600D. It is our new repositioned consumer line of camera, and it is sitting in between 550D and 60D. So it is sharing both features from 16 and 550D. It is a very strong addition to our lineup. It has representing some features from the bigger brother 60D, and also some functionalities coming or carrying over from 550D. So it is a combination of these two cameras. In this class-leading specification, EOS 600D is really providing you tools for high-resolution, good quality, high-quality photography. It features an 80-megapixel sensor with 14-bit processing, Digic 4, as it is basically standard for this level of camera. But this is required to provide the high dynamic range, high density, high resolution images captured. And then it also features an extended wide ISO range. It runs from 100 ISO 100 to 6400, and it can be expanded to 12,800, and it gives you a high shooting speed at 3.7 frames per sec. With 9-point autofocus sensor and 63-zone dual layer metering sensor. This is what had been introduced on 7D. It is an easy-to-use camera, and I think this is one of the main points of 600D is to make it most easy to use as ever. And this is coming from certain functionalities. One is the EOS scene detection system. So it actually similar to PowerShot or Fixus cameras. It will recognize what kind of scene we have in front of the camera and do adjustment settings based on this scene detection. And then we have a picture style. This is the Scene Intelligent, the Scene Intelligent Auto mode, which will utilize all this type of detection system. We have an auto picture style, which is feeding back this scene detection information in order to get the best out of the picture. So all these features, like Basic Plus and things like that, will go on that people new for DSLR photography coming up from DSC range will really be able to make good pictures at once. Revolving LCD, which is very successful on 60D, is also coming down to 600D. So it is a more than 1 megapixel dot vari-angle LCD screen. It is really good feature to use also for photography and also for video. You have the creative filters already introduced in 60D, and Digital zoom can be used in movie and, of course, the built-in wireless flash control system.